Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to add a signature in Google Docs step by step. Adding a signature is useful for contracts, letters, and official documents. First, open the Google Docs file where you want to place your signature and scroll to the correct spot. Click Insert, then Drawing, and choose New to open the drawing window. Select Line, then Scribble, and draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad. Click Save and Close, and your signature will appear in the document. Resize and reposition it as needed. If you already have a signature image, click Insert, then Image, and upload it from your computer or drive. Adjust the size, alignment, and text wrapping so it looks clean and professional. Type your name and date below the signature if required. You can copy and reuse the same signature in other documents to save time. And yeah, that's how to add a signature in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.